What is up guys, Tech Breaks right here. So Xiaomi has just released the Android 9.0 Pie update for the Poco phone F1 devices. So let's see what's new. Let's get into the about phone. As you can see, Xiaomi has now provided us with the November security patch for the Miui 1. And let's see the new Easter egg. So this is the new Android 9.0 Pie Easter egg. Let's jump onto the settings and see what's new. So Xiaomi has added the Google Lens support, and it has restored issues with Android Auto and the microphone. Now that's pretty much the changelog guys. No major new features have been added for this device yet, but bear with me guys. Xiaomi is working internally on a 960 fps super slow-mo and a 4K 60 fps mode for the camera. Let's jump right in the camera and see what's new. So the only new thing that have changed in the camera is the addition of Google Lens. So you can use Google Lens to scan text and shop things. So now let's look at some general changes that Xiaomi has made. As when we jump onto YouTube and when we go into landscape mode and we brought down the notification panel, we couldn't see the date on top, but now it's clearly visible. The date is quite visible right now, and Xiaomi has added that back. So this is a nice and welcome change from Xiaomi. So that's pretty much it guys. The system is more stable and faster than before, and the fingerprint sensor has also been improved. I recommend everyone to update to this 9.0 Pie because the system is much more faster right now, and the animations are also faster. The phone feels so fast right now. So guys, please update to this. If you are having trouble getting the OTA, I have provided a link in the description from where you can download and go into the system update and choose update package to install it. So that's pretty much it guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.